Okay, here's a new feature with the DSP Rack. So as you can see, I've got quite a few plugins. And if I was to choose regular, this is what you're going to see normally. So I can see audio unit, I can see all the manufacturers. But a lot of times what happens to me is I forget, like SoundSpot, for instance, I'm quite sure what plugins those are. I can't remember what they did. Like Oracle, call it up. Oh, it's a reverb. Okay. So there's now a new little icon here in the toolbar called Tag Plugins. And call this up and it will show you all the plugins. And it allows you to, if we go to SoundSpot, for instance, hold on, SoundSpot, where am I? Oh yeah, okay, Oracle. I can now right click and say this is now a reverb. And I could add it to my favorites. So it could be a member of multiple tags. So I'll get rid of favorite here by removing it. So you can see, for instance, the Mangle. I put that under my favorites. It's granular, sound design, and synth. And when you instantiate a plugin, what happens is SoundMiner grabs a screenshot, basically, of the plugin, and you can use those images. So here's a little test button. If I click on this, if we go to Reverb now, I should see there's Oracle, and there's all my plugins. So I can just browse through, go through my favorites, see all the images of the plugins, and call things up that way. So turn images off, and this is what happens. It's just a flat list. So you can see right now, there's just my categories and nothing else. So this is just used as a test mode as you're going through, just to make sure that you're getting all the plugins that you expect to see. And then if I do something like call up Radium here and call up a plugin, you'll see I get my list. So here's all my favorites. I could call up Exciter. So let's call up the Aphex Vintage Exciter. Or I could have accessed it directly from, say, the audio unit menu.